This secret ingredient that makes this Dabur style egg curry 10x better than any restaurants is probably hiding in your kitchen right now. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make quick and easy Dabur style egg curry at home. In a blender, add 4 green chilies, 12 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 handful of mint leaves and coriander, 1 medium tomato, 1 onion, 15 soaked cashews and half cup of milk, and blend it into a smooth paste. Heat oil in a pan, add whole garam masala, half teaspoon of jeera, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell goes. Now add the puree and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and pinch of salt. Mix well. Add water to adjust consistency and cook till the oil separates. Now crack 1 raw egg, stir and let it blend into the masala for 2 minutes. Add fresh cream and kasuri methi for richness. Finally, make small incisions on the boiled eggs and add them so the masala soaks in beautifully. Your rich, creamy and flavorful egg masala curry is ready.